hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. And again, Bitcoin is getting some nice, consolidation right at the highs. Again, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin based on off a discount. It could have ended already, but now we're coming back down, pulling back to that $93,800 support. The 4-hour time frame, though, getting a big RSI bleed. We had an RSI breakout attempt here, but even though we made a higher high, man, that was just a really weak move in terms of strength from the bulls. And now you're starting to see the daily cycle starting to turn a little bit lower, and the markets overall are not strong, pretty weak again. The overnight we're down 38 basis points. Palantir earnings were pretty disappointing. Oil just filled this gap here, and at the same time we're looking for some sort of continuation lower for oil. If it can continue, if it can't continue, then you're going to get some bigger retrace. Maybe it'll help the markets a bit, but overall, just looking at Bitcoin, it doesn't look too strong to me. That's just my opinion. You could be super upset that I say these things, and no, we're gonna explode, we're gonna rally. I follow a lot of people on X, right? And I'm following this guy that's hyper bullish, says he's never wrong, or he's never wrong. I catch every single bottom. I tell you guys that, I like this low, this is the bottom, and then we broke the bottom, 1, 2, 3 times. He got the bottom wrong, and people FOMO'd in for following him, and now he says he's cut the bottom again, but he's not long from the lows anymore. He's long here, and he said again, this is almost next to no chance that we're gonna come back down to my entry. And well, guess what? We came back, and we're below his entry right now. So it just goes to show, like, people that make grandiose calls, like, it's gonna explode, it's gonna moon at any moment. Get ready. The bears are so stupid. Like, when people get super arrogant like that, the market has a way of flushing them out. And right now, you look at that 2-day time frame on Market Cipher. It's not looking too hot, right? You got that red dot that we just printed. It's not confirmed yet. It's going to confirm in 1 day or in the next 22 hours. Got a red dot Market Cipher B, you got red money flow, but I'm not trying to take away from the bullishness on the weekly. The weekly is still looking okay, right? You got a 9 and a -2, although that is a pretty big reduction in terms of bullishness. We are seeing some bearishness right now, where it's reappearing, and especially on the 1-hour time frame, you can see you got a nice little red dot here. So you could easily start to roll over and pull back and start an impulse down. You're now below the spider line that we were holding above this entire time, right? We're trying to break out and hold above it. We're retesting a resistance here off a failed breakout. And if you start to break these lows at 92, 91, then I'm sorry, guys, we're going to start to fall. We're going to start to fall back down. You're going to get that 200-day moving average as a test. It could hold, right? You could set up for a bigger bounce in your first impulse down, maybe come back up again. But, you're just delaying the drop. Could it extend even more? Yeah, you could even set up for another connector for even higher prices, but we're trading what's in front of us right now. We're not trying to predict the future of what's going to happen. We're trading the pattern in front of us, and the pattern right now is not bullish in my opinion. I'm looking to see if this wave 2 can extend a little bit, but the price action and the momentum waves are not looking that great. You had some bullish candles here on the 4-hour, but they're quickly turning bearish. We just took a nice little trade today too. I'm not always bearish, right? We took a nice little long, made about $1,200 long Bitcoin from around what was it, like 93,800, right around that yellow trend line, right? So I'm not like permanently bearish. We're just trading in and out of the Bitcoin right now in this choppy phase. So we got a nice little bounce, nice little profit. Now I'm thinking we're going to start to roll over, and we start to roll over and accelerate down, guys. And if this wave 2 is in, don't try and get in the way of buying the dip. And I'm not trying to say like, oh, you shouldn't try to get in the way of buying dip, because I don't want you guys to get the dip and miss out on some longs. I'm being honest with you. I really think we're going to get a good flush down, and the bounce after will determine if we're gonna go lower or not, right? If we bounce super hard, we break back above like 93,900, and we start to take out these highs, yeah, like we're going to like 100 something thousand, right? But if we bounce and we hit this again as resistance, then no, like that's it, and you're gonna get a more bearish scenario where you go to 64, and it's not what people want to hear. But I'm just here to tell you what the charts are saying, what I'm gonna do with my trades, right? Am I gonna short? Am I gonna long? I'm telling you now, I'm definitely not looking for longs in this area. That's as simple as that. All right. So do what you want with the information that I just spewed out here. But if the price falls and you try to catch the dip and we're back at 88 and you got your account blow up, don't come crying. 4-hour time frame, red green cross. 1-hour time frame, you're getting some dip buys here. That's why I still think we could still be inside of this wave too. So I'm not trying to shit on the bears or anything. I still think you could easily get some upside tomorrow. So they could pump the futures up in the Nasdaq. Although right now it doesn't look like we're getting much pumping, right? And the futures are turning a bit red here, and that's not helping Bitcoin at all. Anyways, you guys get the gist of it. Have a good evening. Peace.